Morning, lovies. How you all doing? Anyway, it's 8:28 in the morning here, and I'm still in bed, but I'm awake. I just wanted to bring you guys here in my room to show you my morning routines, what I eat, what I do when I wake up. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you what I drink to go to bed. Not every night, but almost every night. I just keep healthy, okay? And then I'll show you guys what I eat in the mornings, how I make it. I'll take you to the kitchen and all that. I'll show you guys what I eat in the mornings. I'm trying to be as much as healthy, and I'm going to show you what I cook in the morning to eat. And yeah, somebody requested I do a day in my life, so I'm starting today, but this one is going to be a morning routine, and then I'll do that one too. Okay, shout out to the person. I'll look for her name and put it down on the screen if I find it. Okay, thank you. I hope you are all keeping safe and eating healthy. Yeah, please do your best to eat healthy. You can have, like, how do you say it, other things in your cabinet, but most of the time have fresh stuff. Okay, you eat your healthy things, and when you are in a hurry, you don't have time, then you can go back and have like me, oatmeal. I make it fresh, but we have the sachet ones. You know, when you're in a hurry, you can make that quick. But all I'm saying is eat fresh stuff a lot. That's all I'm saying. Okay, as you cannot see, I'm lying down, and I'm going to get up and go brush my teeth, and I'll take you guys to the bathroom. Okay, so stay tuned. I like using Pronamel, but today sometimes I use Colgate with baking soda. It's good too. So I'm done brushing my teeth. And guys, normally I shower at night, so when I get up I don't shower because of the virus. I go out shopping and everything, and then when I come back I have to go in my bed, so I need to shower. Every night I shower, so when I get up in the mornings I brush my teeth, and then I use cold water to rinse my face. Very cold. It's very like ice to rinse my face. It's very cold, but I try my best. I always leave it to dry, but I just want to take you guys quickly to the kitchen and do my breakfast and show you. I have to look a little nice and fresh to go down, because you never know who will come and knock on your door in the morning to maybe want something, ask you something. So I try my best to look a little okay. And then I try to smell nice in the morning. A little more. Okay, so I look okay to go down and do my breakfast and show you guys. So guys, I'm back down now into the kitchen to show you guys how I make my breakfast, what I eat in the mornings. And first, I'm going to be making a smoothie just to cleanse, and I need pineapple, lemon and onions. It cleanses you. So I need like 2 or 4 pineapple, and then I need little onion. I think I have already made onions. This is like a half onion. I just need quarter, so I need onion like this, just this amount. Yeah. And I'm going to blend it with some little water. While it's blending, I'll be squeezing my lemon. And I need just little water, okay, just little, because pineapple has water and the onion too has water, and with lemon to water, so just little, so it will be strong to cleanse any bacteria. So now I'm going to be squeezing my lemon. I'll put in my juice, lemon juice, and blend it again. So sweeties, this is my smoothie, pineapple and lemon and onion blend, and I'm going to be drinking it. And while I'm drinking it, my breakfast needs to be ready, because this thing right here makes you hungry, very, very hungry. So stay tuned. So I'm going to be making my oatmeal now. Breakfast is done, guys. You see my oatmeal with apples, strawberry, blueberry. Sometimes I add nuts and banana, but today simple like this. I had my juice finished, and then this is my sunny side up with some tomato and green pepper. Yeah, I already drank onion, so I don't need to add onions on my egg. So yeah, I don't add sugar to my oatmeal, but sometimes you can add little honey. Yeah, so today I add just little drop, just like that. Yeah, and it's good too. Honey is good. Sunny side up. So guys, if you really like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and follow my Instagram. Okay, please try as much as possible to eat healthy stuff. Okay, it's easy to eat healthy stuff. Yeah, fresh, and you eat. Okay, thank you, love you all. Bye.